Well, hey everybody, welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we are going to be making ginger glazed chicken. You're not going to want to miss this one. Well, thanks so much for stopping by. I am your charming host, Chef John Politte. And if this is your first time watching, or you just want to learn how to make awesome food, or maybe even start your own cooking channel, then go ahead and do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right there, and then click on that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. All right, well, you clicked on this video to watch me make ginger glazed chicken, so let's head into the kitchen and check out the ingredients. Right here are the ingredients for this delicious dish today. We've got boneless, skinless chicken breast, soy sauce, garlic, ginger. I got a little orange there that we're going to use in the marinade. Cabbage, brown sugar, olive oil, and then some chow mein noodles, brown rice, and sesame seeds for some garnish. So let's get to work. All right, I'm going to get the marinade made first and get that done because I'm going to chop up the chicken, and then after I chop up the chicken I want to sanitize the whole kitchen. So I'm going to add about a half a cup of olive oil, another half a cup of soy sauce, about a tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm just going to grate up some of this fresh ginger until I get enough for what I need, which is about a tablespoon. Okay, I got a tablespoon right there. We're just going to put this right into the marinade. Then I got the garlic clove, same thing. I'm just going to take it out of its skin. Just going to grate enough of this up to release the flavors, so they really flour in that marinade. Just like that. Right into the marinade. Okay, then I got this orange. It's actually a clementine that I'm going to use. I'm just going to cut this baby right in half and use the juice of it. You get a seed in there, it's not a big deal. It's just a marinade. That will add the citrus flavor and the acidity to this marinade that we will need, and it'll balance out the brown sugar. So it's basically a sweet and sour sauce. I believe we've got everything in there. So now I'm going to just mix this all up. Add just a little bit of salt and pepper in there. And the marinade's ready to go. Okay, I've got our chicken breast here, raw, skinless, and boneless chicken breast. I'm going to just cut these into pieces that we will use in our dish. Go about a 1-inch square. And I'm just going to throw these right into the bowl of marinade that we have there and let them sit for about an hour. So into the marinade they go. Make sure they're covered all the way. There is the marinade chicken. I'm just going to set it into the fridge, and I'm going to sanitize this whole area, and we'll be back in an hour to start this fantastic meal. All right, the only other real work we got to do for the prep on this dish is get this cabbage shredded up. So I'm just going to take the core out. And just shred it up. Doesn't need to be too finely shredded. because it will cook down. All right, pan is hot. I'm just gonna pour our marinated chicken right in there. It does have the oil in there, so it will not stick to the pan. All right, I'm gonna throw the lid on, let it cook, get cooked all the way through. We've got our shredded cabbage ready to go. We've got our rice cooking in the rice cooker. All right, I'm gonna take the lid off, just give it a good stir here. Distribute all the heat evenly, make sure it's all flipped and not stacked on each other so it does cook. I'm gonna put the lid back on and just let it go. And we'll throw that cabbage on there. Okie doke, got the lid off again. It's probably around 3/4 of the way done. It's all brown on each side. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this whole thing of cabbage in there. Put the lid right on there and let it cook down. All right, cabbage is getting softer. I'm just gonna stir it in here with the rest of it. Just chicken and cabbage and that marinade. It's starting to look really nice. Cabbage is softening up, breaking down a little bit. So I got it all stirred in there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch this out now, because when I go to serve it, I want a spoon that hasn't touched the raw chicken. So that's out of there. I'm gonna let this break down some more and cook, and we will come back. Oh, that looks great. There we go. Everything's done. The cabbage is broken down and mixed in there well with it. Oh, this smells really, really good, people. I am going to do what we do now. I'm going to plate this up and present it. Take tons of pictures for social media, and then we're going to throw this on the timeline with some groovy music, and then come back and taste it. Alright, here is the dish. It smells awesome. You see that cabbage in there with the chicken. I threw some dried pepper flakes on there and sesame seeds and some chow mein noodles on there just for some garnish and presentation purposes. Little brown rice there. So I'm going to take this bite out of there, but there's that chicken right there. It really smells good with that marinade. And I will get this camera onto the tripod, and we'll get a little bit more on the fork there to show you. All right, there's the bite. Got some cabbage on there. That chicken that has been marinating. It smells really, really good. All right, wow, that was really, really good. That chicken is so tender and so flavorful with that marinade. You taste the brown sugar, the soy sauce, the ginger, the garlic, and then it's oily, which everybody knows I love oily chicken. But the cabbage added another layer in there to kind of give it a little fullness to bring all the food together, and then you can mix it all up, and you get some really nice bites in there too. Thanks all for watching. This is a great meal, quick to make. Don't forget to sanitize your kitchen if you're using raw chicken. That means your cutting board, your knife, and any kind of utensils that you use, and then all your counters, your hands, especially when you're going to turn your faucets on or open your garbage cans or whatever. Just sanitize everything down. You don't need to buy expensive sanitizer agents in the store with the spray nozzle. Cap full of bleach into a bucket of water or your sink. You don't want the water to be too hot because you get steam going, and that bleach is an inert gas and it'll go right out with the steam, and the effectiveness will be rendered useless. So don't forget to sanitize if you use raw chicken. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time. All right, well, I've got this recipe right down there in the description box, and there's also some other things I'd like you to check while you're down there. One, I've left 2 links down there for my e-commerce store where I sell my seasonings, spices, and herb blends. 2, if you're a YouTuber and you are a creator, then you need to check that TubeBuddy link. Go ahead and hit that. That will give you the views and the subscribers that you need to make your show a success. And then 3, all my affiliate links for all my equipment that I use are down there as well. They are affiliate links, so I do get a little bit of a cut every time somebody buys something that I recommend. All right, well, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so yet. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Leave us a comment down below. And then make sure you share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food. Take care. Bye-bye.